Hello, today we will talk about absolute eosinophil count. What are leukocytes? What are eosinophils? How is this test done? And what can cause increased or decreased eosinophil count? Some information I shall give you about these. What are leukocytes and what are eosinophils? Leukocytes are a type of cells which are found in the blood of the human body. These cells help in providing defense to the human body against any pathogens, germs or bacteria which may attack our body. Eosinophils are a type of leukocytes. These have a special function to protect our body against allergies and parasites. When does doctor ask for absolute eosinophil count? If the doctor suspects that patient may be suffering from any allergic condition like urticaria, asthma, hay fever, he may ask for absolute eosinophil count. How is this test done? This test usually requires a blood sample which is taken from the arm of the patient. Does this test require any special preparation? No, this test does not require any special preparation. The sample can be taken at any time as per convenience of the patient. What conditions can cause increased eosinophil count? If the patient has any allergic disorder like skin allergies, asthma, hay fever, the eosinophil count can increase. Apart from these, if the patient has any parasitic infestation, in these cases also the eosinophil count may increase. There are certain cancers like Hodgkin lymphoma, CML. These can also result in increased eosinophil count, but these are very rare causes. What conditions can cause decreased eosinophil count? If the patient has acute stress, the eosinophil count can decrease. If the patient is taking any drugs like ACTH or steroids, the eosinophil count can decrease. Apart from this, if there is any acute pyogenic infection, the neutrophil count increases, resulting in a decreased eosinophil count.